Congratulations on completing your second Renovation Resort Challenge.
Woo! We are all going to be judging the primary bedrooms and bathrooms.
You ready to do this?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
We'll be back.
Nobody panic.
Nobody panic.
Starting with Taylor and Meredad's property, Moonlight Bay. It's very Japanese influenced.
Oh my
Oh! This
You're
feels Tofino meets Japanese inspired. That Shoshogiban, I think, really pops and sets the theme.
Now, one thing you should know about the art, the piece on the right is hiding a couple of boards that were mismeasured.
Was that cheating or is that genius?
Strategic. Okay.
Oh. The wallpaper is a really nice touch. Brought the tile all the way to the ceiling. Draws your eye up in a smaller space.
If this is an indicator of what we're going to see in the other houses,
This is
I think
already
we're
the
going
I'm
to...
Has to be.
excited.
This is Marcy Melissa, and Driftwood Dunes is their theme. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
It's got a very airy, light vibe.
The red barn and the red heart is super cute,
Very
Yes.
subtle.
but it's very subtle.
In terms of install, it looks pretty clean. I mean, they put the pieces of trim up at the ceiling here.
So I came in and I was checking on them, and their pattern was slightly sinking. I like that they fixed the top of it with the trim. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Holy
Wow.
cow.
It's got impact, that tile.
Very cool. The wood on the walls is great.
These sisters really brought it.
let's go into Shalon and Liz's Coral Cove.
Yes,
Okay.
this is a Caribbean vibe. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh.
Shalon and Liz. Wow.
If I walked in here, I would feel like I was on vacation.
I do love an abstract piece of artwork. Looking at this wall, I like that there's a moment happening with the chair, the lamp, the desk.
Shalon and Liz have said they are all about color.
Not
at
in
once.
this room.
Oh.
Oh.
There's the coral.
There's some coral.
Wow.
A jellyfish.
Where's the
Look at this.
Oh.
God.
That's kind of
Okay,
cool.
so now this is, I'm
Very
feeling their vibe.
This is Tatiana and Thomas.
And Cedar Shore is their theme. It's a West Coast vibe.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Okay. The biggest change that hasn't happened in any other lake house is they swapped their window out for a door. So this is a walkout primary bedroom onto the new deck.
Love the consistency of the ceiling.
Oh.
Oh.
Tatiana has got all the things that you need. Short-term rental space.
She nailed all of that stuff.
We have 4 very different
Yes.
properties. Incredible craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be tough.
Oh man, I don't like this part. I'm just gonna.
This is the worst
I
part.
don't like this part at all.
It's actually the best part.